Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to see my video whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can flash crypto on crypto.com wallet without settings. We have the settings one. The settings one is using RPC. This is the last video I dropped about it. So if you want to use it, you can still use it, but it requires settings. You just add the RPC link. But on this video, I want to show you guys how you can do the crypto on-chain wallet without settings. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need a base wallet. Go to your base, go to your Play Store or App Store, download base wallet. It's still same as Coinbase, but this is the one you download to start, so that the work will be easy for you, so it will work perfectly. So after you download it, you open it. So I'll head over to the app. I already download mine. So after I download it, let me show you guys. So this is it. So you deposit a BNB stand. So you just click on receive from your wallet. This same address is still same as all this crypto that is showing in this interface. So you can see BNB logo there. So once you copy it, you deposit minimum of BNB. You can deposit $2, $1. So after depositing the BNB, you head over to the dashboard, this home wallet stand. Then you paste this contract address. If you need the full tutorial of the contract address, you DM it. So once you paste the contract address, so you scroll down, stand. So you look at this theta. This is the theta we are swapping. Theta bridge. This theta bridge. So you click on this theta USD bridge. This one. Once you click on, so once it shows like this, you scroll up, click on buy. So we'll be buying $1 of this coin. Then you scroll up. You just swipe this trade. Allow. So you put your fingerprint. See trade successful. So you go back to your home page. Go back. Refresh. So this is a coin. So what we do now, go to our Onchain Wallet. Onchain. So this is my wallet. Once you're on your wallet, on your Onchain Wallet, it's done. You can just click on wallet. Then you click on deposit. So you can copy the BNB, or you import the wallet or contract address direct. So I'll copy the BNB wallet address. I'll go to my base wallet. So I go to my base wallet. This is the coin. I'll click it. Then scroll up and click on send. So I'll click on to choose, paste my wallet address. So here now, there's a 25%. So you click on max. So once you click on max, then you click on send. So we have sent it like that. So once you sent, we go to the Onchain Wallet to check. So refresh. So once you refresh, you can see it now. The money has landed. So that is how you can flash it. And if you want to flash your clients, maybe you want to flash your clients, it's very easy. If you want to flash your client now, let's create another wallet. Continue. So you just tell your client to send you BNB wallet address. Click on deposit as usual. Then click on BNB, copy your BNB. Then go to the wallet 7. So this is the wallet 7. Network is bad. So click on it. You can see it give us 1 trillion. This one even pass 1 billion. It gives us 1 trillion. So let's send. You paste it. Start. So if you are sending out, you need BNB. So that is just it. You need BNB as gas fee. So just have a little BNB on your account to send out and see. So that is how to flash your coin. If you enjoyed this video so far, kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss updates whenever I upload a new video. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.